Hi, this is Daniel for Gearbest, and today I bring you one of the most gorgeous, beautiful smartphones of the beginning of 2018. It's the Elephone U Pro. That means you are the pro if you buy it. It's the best decision ever. Trust me, the Elephone U Pro. Elephone, actually. I'm gonna unbox it. The box is in itself, it's marvelous. Very good materials, hard, with a like red shiny logo here, and some slogans on the side saying like keep expecting and be surprised. So you know, I'm expecting to be surprised by the content of this box. I'm gonna put here the front, and once you open it you can see it immediately here. It's the smartphone. I'm gonna leave it for later. Just gonna do the unboxing first. You can skip ahead if you want, if you're not interested, but anyway. Inside you'll find two little boxes. Let me remove it carefully. And again, with the red motif here, shiny red, it's all very cohesive. Nice branding effort from Elephone, very good brand. They have outstanding devices, outstanding smartphones. Anyway, first we have the USB cable right here. Let me remove it. It comes in the bag. It's a white cable, you know, it's a standard cable. Type-C, USB, it has fast charging, so that's the cable you're gonna use to charge your Elephone U Pro, and also to transfer files between the smartphone and your computer or tablet or any other compatible device. There's another box here, and this is the back. I'm gonna put it here on my side. Let's see what's inside this one. How to open it? Oh, through the top. And there's a little paper in here, an envelope, and some other stuff. Yeah, quick start guide in English, so that's very important, with all the details about the actual hardware, and as well as some tips for the software and how to handle the device. I'm gonna put it here. And there's still something else inside the box. Let's see. Oh yeah, cool. The pin, like the metal pin to open the SIM card slot, and also a QR code for the website. Yeah, for Elephone's website right here. Reds, cool stuff. So I'm gonna put the box here, and now finally the smartphone itself is here. Let me see if I can remove it from this very tightly fitted molds that it comes in. It's really wow, they really put an effort to, you know, to really make it fit in this box. And oh my, I'm trying my best here. Yeah, I hope they speed this up. There we go. So here it is, the Elephone U Pro. Amazing display, 5.99 inch AMOLED display, so that's like a capacitive screen as well. Full HD, it looks gorgeous, bezel-less on the sides. I mean, I would even go as far as to say this is a sexy smartphone. It really is. It just looks, it looks incredible. Design like very thin. The back is like reflective bluish black. There's another model in another color, but this is the one we have right here. So yeah, it just looks really amazing. Looks gorgeous, and it's running Android 8 out of the box. Android Oreo is running on the Elephone U Pro. So this is one of the first Chinese smartphones to actually have Android 8 out of the box. That's great. So you know, it's I mean, you want to have the latest Android updated version in your device, and that's what you get here. It's a customized version of Android 8, of course, but still underneath all this customization from Elephone, you have Android 8 running there, so that's great. Besides that, for specs wise, we have a 3500 milliamp battery. It's actually 3550 milliamps, so that's more than enough to run you through the day. We have a very powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 CPU, clocking in at 2.2 gigahertz. So that's one of the best Snapdragon processors in the market right now. I repeat, it's the 660 Snapdragon CPU, powering everything. Also, we have, actually comes in two models, so you can choose the 4 GB of RAM model that comes with 64 GB of storage, or you can choose a more powerful high-end model with 6 GB of RAM plus 128 GB storage. Both of them are compatible with micro SD cards, so you can also expand the memory, the storage, so that's not a problem. Also, in the back we have a dual camera, 13 plus 13 megapixel camera, great quality for the pictures you take, with a double light LED flashlight right there in the back, and the fingerprint scanner as well. In the front we have an 8 megapixel selfie camera for selfies and video calls and anything you want to use it for at your discretion. That's pretty much it. Fast charging, USB, USB Type-C, no jack, no 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones, so you gotta have the accessory for that, but you know, that's not a problem. Easy to find. Amazing smartphone. I mean, the display is just gorgeous. Powerful specs, good battery, a Snapdragon processor, so it's not MediaTek. I know that's important for some people, so you have a very good Snapdragon CPU from Qualcomm here, the 660, and that's pretty much it. It's a beautiful smartphone, powerful. Check the links below, check all the details, all the specs, all the nitty-gritty of the device. Maybe you'll find a coupon even to have a better price. Like and subscribe. You will get a lot more smartphones and other devices from us, always at the best prices. Gearbest is probably the best place in the world online to get the best imported gadgets from China and from across the world to your market and to wherever you are located. This is the Elephone U Pro. Be a pro and get it right now. I know that was lame, but seriously, it's a great smartphone.